Yeah, I really enjoy to change my cars. So I started to think about this HPH racing bullet monster truck and turn it into a short course truck. And I almost call this a prototype because I have more bodies to change. If this turns out well, I'm gonna change it to a better body, or a body in a better shape than the one I got on the car right now. So this is from a L1979 VL Toys, and this black one is the exact same measures. It's called 124-23, I think. I could be wrong, but it's also a VL Toys short course truck. And I hope you will see in a future video what this brings out.